How to convert your McLaren wheels to floating center caps in 7 easy steps. Step 1. Remove emblem. Dental floss works great for this, like debadging your car. Step 2. Smooth rear of plate, like so. Step 3. Drill a 13mm hole. Step 4. Glue bearing plate. Step 5. Glue upper plate to emblem. Step 6. Install shaft into bearing. Final step. Glue on counterweight. And here we have the world's first McLaren floating center caps in 7 easy steps. Visit vifil.com to get your own kits. And if you want to see more cool custom installs, then stick around. Or if you want a custom set doing, send me a DM.